So welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guy. Thank you so much. You guys have helped us hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Really appreciate it. And YouTube was nice enough to send us some bananas. I'm not even kidding you, they actually sent us bananas. You know, this journey to the 1,000 subscriber mark has been a tough and very difficult journey. Actually, right, we're just fucking lazy. And you know, we just drink all the time. So while we were away, we were still going through our comments, and there were great comments. There was really nice people out there. We had our haters, of course. And of course, we had those people who complained about the Chinese accent, about our mala xiangguo. If you don't like the mala xiangguo, then you go to Hong Kong. You go now. I'd like to address this issue. There were people who didn't like our videos because they said it was complicated, it was too long, it was time consuming. So we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna make you Oyakodon.